Hello everyone, this is model number 1028, footstep operated power generation model. Now I will explain parts of this project. This is the whole mechanism. This is the frame. This is base frame. This is a moving frame. It is supported on spring base. These are 4 springs on which this moving frame is supported. This is rack and pinion. This is rack, this is pinion. This is dynamo mounted on a bracket on a fixed frame. This is a load or fan. The whatever current is generated from this dynamo, it is used in by this motor, or this is by fan. Now we will see working of this project. As we keep foot on this moving frame, rack and pinion get operated, dynamo rotates, and power is generated and displayed. It can be seen through rotating fans.
ते पण व्हिडिओ मध्ये घाला मॅडम.
Problem